How to create mockups in Canva for Etsy. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create mockups in Canva for Etsy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva and Etsy, Etsy is an online global marketplace designed for creators, artists, and small businesses owners to sell unique, handmade, vintage, and craft-related products. It provides an accessible platform where independent sellers can showcase their creativity, reach a wide audience, and manage their online store without needing advanced technical skills. And Etsy also emphasizes originality and craftsmanship, making it go-to destination for shoppers looking for personalized items, custom gifts, artisanal goods, and rare vintage finds. After signing in, you'll be directed in this page. So from here, you can start by searching. For example, we're going to search painting. Upon unlocking the painting, you should be able to see all of the results below. And in here, you can choose which kind of painting we can use as a mockups as an example or guide. So this is basically what the mockups looks like, in which the design is embedded to this material to see what it looks like in the real world, or when it is now being decorated in your homes, office, or in any other places. So from here in those options, we could also select this one, which is a dog painting or artwork that is already has 4.8 ratings over 5, which is quite impressive for this kind of products. So we can use both of this as our guide in creating our own mockups design using our Canva. Now in here, to start creating a mockups, just simply go to your canva.com, in which it is a user-friendly online design platform that enables individuals and businesses to easily create professionally quality graphics, presentation, documents, videos, and social media content. So just simply go to the template section right here, as you can see, and go to the search bar and look for mockups. Upon searching mockups, you should be able to see a variety of results with different kind of mockups. We have here mug, tote bag, phone, and many more. But we're looking for a specific mockup painting. So this is basically what it looks like. And some of it are offered for free, while some of it you need to have an upgrade account or premium account in order to use it. For example, this one. We can simply click or choose any of the design and click customize this template button to proceed customizing this. As you can see, upon scrolling, it will show you more result of it. But I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on the button, you automatically be directed on this Canva. You can start designing this, starting to delete the design and also replace your own original design. But at this point, instead of uploading my own design, I'm just going to choose under the element section on the left side panel as an example. But again, since you're listing it on Etsy, you need to have your original design. Now under the element section, I'm going to enter here or search painting. Upon looking on it, just simply go to the photo section to choose your preferred design of painting that we need to replace for this template. I'm going to use this one and simply drag it directly in here. So as you can see, the painting has now been changed. We could also navigate here this text. Let's say we're going to add a username on Instagram as an example, where viewers or customers from Etsy can simply stalk our account to see all of our design. Moving on, we can add also a page. But at this point, we're going to simply add here this whole design. But we're not going to upload this on Etsy, but rather we're going to upload only the mockups design, but only to show you here the idea. Moving on, we're going to add also more kind of mockups design. By going to the design section, we could also start searching a variety of layout, different themes, and many more. But make sure to also know the listing requirements of the images in here to be uploaded. It is recommended to have 2000 pixels or more. And it says here that the width and height of at least 635 pixels to avoid showing up lower in searches. So make sure to follow some of these tips and requirements in order to be able to get more sales on Etsy as you upload your own design. This is basically the list of it. Going back in our Canva, we can add more page or mockups, which is, as an example, this one. By clicking on it, we could also again do the same thing, which is by adding here elements or uploading our own by going to the upload section and click upload files. Instead, in here under elements, I'm just going to simply upload under the images of painting. I'm going to select here, for example, this one. By dragging it directly, this is basically what it looks like. So as you can see, it seems that the images is now being transferred into the canvas in different settings and also background of it. And now once done, you can click the share button on the top right corner to simply save the changes. But you could also start changing first the title of this artwork, which is my Etsy mockup. From here, we're going to click the share button on the top right corner, which is this one. And in this pop-up window, just click download button. And after that, under the sizes, make sure to adjust this one on this requirements on Etsy. I'm going to simply make it at least 2000 pixels. Then click download button to proceed. By doing so, it will automatically being downloaded. And once done, we can now simply upload it in our Etsy account and start using some of the templates or guide in creating our own description, details, sizes, and any other themes, which is an example of any of this one. So make sure inputting it in our listing to make it formal, creative, and also pleasing to the eye in Etsy. Now aside from this kind of painting, we could also search for mockups, shirt that we could also use in uploading our own design, which is, so you can see we have here a variety of results also to choose from. Now moving on, aside from this one, instead of mockup shirt, we're going to search mockup mug. So from here, just choose your own design of mockup, which is in all option, I'm going to choose this one. Simply clicking this one on this pop-up window, just click customize this template. Then you will be directed in here. But going back in our Etsy in here, the next thing that you need to do is simply search for mug to see what the mockups looks like from other reseller in here. So as you can see, this is basically what others looks like. So now from here, we're going to change or delete this design and upload our own, such as by going to the element section. And in here, I'm going to search as an example, best mom ever, which is quite a common type of mug design. Under graphics, I'm going to choose here as an example this one. You can change the size of it and many more. Once done again, you can click the share button and simply download it depending on the pixel that you prefer, and also by following the requirement on listing image on Etsy. But overall, that is just how you can create mockups in Canva for Etsy. Thank you.